You are going to love the 2018 A3. This vehicle is powered by a 4-cylinder, 2.0-liter engine and comes with a automatic transmission. Great fuel efficiency saves you money by requiring fewer trips to the gas station. This vehicle has less than 100 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: power windows with safety reverse, emergency braking preparation, traction control, stability control, braking assist, rear fog light, power brakes. Inside you'll find autonomous braking, rear view camera, airbags, front knee, cruise control, trip computer, audio auxiliary input, memory card slot, child safety locks, multifunction display, one-touch windows, tachometer,